In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder on PC. So what you want to do is be anywhere on your desktop and simply right-click on your desktop, click on New or hover over New, and then navigate yourself up here to the first thing where it says Folder. You then want to click on it, and the first thing that happens, as you can see, it asks you to name your folder. So let's say I want to name this Instant How To. And once you're done doing that, you want to press enter on your keyboard, and that's it. You've successfully created your folder. If you now want to open that folder, you simply want to double click it, and your folder will open, and you can put in whatever you like to. And if you want to rename this folder, you can simply click on it and then right click. And as you can see over here, you can copy this folder, you can cut this folder, rename it, or delete it altogether, okay? So if you want to rename it, delete it, or whatever of these, you just want to click one of these icons over here, and that's literally it.